This 5-acre waterfront property with city utilities on site is located in Central Florida, only 35 miles northwest of Orlando, and almost equal distant to the cities of Tavares, America's seaplane city, Eustis, and Mount Dora. It has frontage on picturesque Lake Francis and a well-established over 55 community as its rear neighbor. Adjacent to the property is Osprey Lodge, an upscale assisted living community. The property is in an office park with numerous medical providers. Directly across 441 is Florida Advent Health Waterman. This prime commercial property is level and ready for your sprawling or vertical building.